Hello everybody, my name is Matt Wolverine and welcome to another unboxing video. And today, as you could tell the title of this video, I bought 2 DVDs from a charity shop, which is brand new, and I'm thinking about doing this video and unbox it every time I buy new DVDs from any store I went to. So, if you like the idea, let me know in the comments below. Alright then, the first one is The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. And I know what you're thinking. Why would you buy this? It's for little babies. I tell you why I bought this. Because it's part of this Disney Classic collection. So, I got no choice, so I had to buy it for the collection. So, let's further ado, let's unbox this. Oh, hold on a minute. I should have prepared for this. Alright, there we go. Alright then, here's the cover of Winnie the Pooh. Here's Rated U. Here's Disney Classics number 22. Here's a spine, The Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. Here are Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Eeyore, and Piglet. There's Piglet again. Come on, focus. And one time it's 21 minutes long. It's Rated U for contains no material likely to offend or harm. And here's a DVD. Right, I had not seen this movie, but when I was a little kid, I used to watch Winnie the Pooh on TV series on TV. So I had not seen this one, so yeah, like I said, I had to get this one because of my collection. So if you don't like it so much, so let me know. Alright then. Second and last one for this video is True Romance. Again, I got it from a charity shop. Alright, here's a cover. Here's the original cover for the film. And it had iconic films cover on the DVD. It has Christian Slater, Patricia Arquette, hopefully I pronounced that right, Dennis Hopper, Val Kilmer, Gary Goldman, Brad Pitt, and Christopher Walken. It's rated 18. Here's a spine, iconic film, True Romance, by Warner Bros. Here's a back from the films. Here's a plot. You can pause that and read it. I bought this because it went by Quentin Tarantino, because I saw a couple of his films, which I really like. So I think it was directed by Tony Scott for the film. It says on His name on there, but it didn't say on the credits on the back, which is weird. It is 116 minutes long. It is rated 18 for contain moderate sex, nudity, and drugs. And here's a DVD, which is old-fashioned 18 on there. Well, what I mean old-fashioned, meaning that like early 2000s version of rating. Certificate. Like, again, I had not seen this movie. I heard it's a very good movie. So that's all I heard about. So I will look forward to watch it. Right. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. My name is Matt Wolverine. And I will do more video very soon. And I see you guys in the next video.